Exposing the secrets to financial freedom. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Let's change that. Step 1. Track your spending. Know where every dollar goes. Use apps or an old school spreadsheet. Just make sure you're aware. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This cushion can save you from future financial stress. Step 3. Pay off high interest debt. Prioritize credit cards and loans with the highest rates first. Snowball or avalanche method, pick what works best for you. Step 4. Invest in yourself. Skills and education can lead to better job opportunities and higher income. Never stop learning. Step 5. Start investing. Think stocks, bonds, or real estate. Diversify to spread risk and maximize returns over time. Step 6. Live below your means. It's not about being cheap, but being smart with your money. Save and invest the difference. Step 7. Set clear financial goals. Short-term, medium-term, long-term, write them down and make a plan. Visualize your success. And there you have it. 7 steps to financial freedom. Take control of your future, one step at a time. You've got this.